I used to scroll endlessly on my phone looking for my next read, but now I've learned to listen a little bit more and scroll a little less with the help of my AI friend to gently nudge me in the direction of my next read, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Hey friends, I'm Jen with Everyday AI. We are going to walk through my process for finding my next book read. I am someone who just gets very overwhelmed when it comes to picking out a book. I don't know if you can relate to this, but I get overwhelmed by all of the options. There are so many on Amazon or my library app. Wherever it is, I will scroll for hours looking for my next read, reading through the reviews, reading people's comments, reading recommendations from one book to find your next one. And in order to alleviate all that, I've started asking AI to help me out. With the help of AI, I can now find my book in under 5 minutes with a quick and easy prompt. I'm going to show you the exact prompt that I use, but you can feel free to take this, tweak it, do whatever you want with it, and put it into use for your specific type of book, because you can search by theme, season, by authors, however works for you. I just want to show you some practical use cases, and this one is one that I like to use on a regular basis. The last book that I had recommended by AI, I'm absolutely loving. I'm halfway through it. I'm a very slow reader. Let me know if you can relate to that. I pick the book up. I typically read it at night, and I'm very slow, but I love to read books, and I'm trying to do a little more of it, hence trying to find some more books to read in my spare time. All of that to say, I want to show you the prompt that I use. Take it and tweak it, use it as your own, add in the things you're looking for in your next read. If it's a fall read, or you're looking for a mystery or a Western, whatever it is, plop those words into the prompt and have it give you your own set of recommended books. When I'm choosing a book, I typically stick towards the fiction books for a fun, light-hearted, cozy read. I do read them before I go to bed, so I don't want something that's going to keep me up. I want to be able to pick it up, read it for a little bit, and then set it back down and go to bed. So I'm not looking for thrillers or horror or anything like that. I just want something light and easy. Cozy is always my vibe. Let me open up my Copilot. I'm going to share with you that prompt. We'll walk through it and show you what it recommended to me, and then we'll decide what my next read is going to be. Here's the prompt that I used. Hey, I want to find my next easy, lighthearted, cozy read. I use lots of descriptive words in my prompts to try to be as precise as I can when I'm asking this to do things for me. So then my favorite cozy read is the Shop on Blossom Street series by Debbie Macomber, and I would love similar suggestions that aren't overly spicy, but still romance and easy to read. I love giving it, if the type of book I'm looking for is something similar to what I've read before, I want to give AI that so that it can use that information to find things that are similar yet still different, if that makes sense. So I don't necessarily want something else by Debbie Macomber, but I want something that's similar and familiar yet different. Setting, place, time, that type of thing. So then I ask it to give me 5 suggestions for my next read, and it literally spits it right out. As soon as I send it, I get those results right back, and I love that it's a friendly list. It says cozy romance reads with heart, friendship, and gentle joy. And you can see I've got 5 recommendations right there ready to go. It's got the title, it has the author, and it has a couple sentences to describe what the book's about so that I can read through them and know what it's about and decide which one I want to move ahead with looking for and adding to my reading list. So we've got Blue Skies by Robin Carr. We have Sandcastle Bay by Cheryl Woods, The Willow Leaf Lane by Ray Ann Thane, The Nantucket Restaurant by Pamela M. Kelly. And I will tell you that the last book it recommended to me was also set in Nantucket, and I clearly love books that are set in Nantucket. So that one will probably go on my list, but I am looking for something a little bit different this time. And the last one is Her Easter Prayer by Lee Tobin McLean. So, a great list of 5 books. I love that it has that little description there to tell me what the book is about. And you also, when you prompt it, you get another suggested prompt after it. And I like to read through those and just see what they say. And in this case, one of them was, can you suggest more books in this genre? So I went ahead and had it give me 5 more titles, and there they are kind of spit out. This is fantastic. I love that it just narrows my decision making down. So if you're someone who struggles with making a decision, this is a great tool to pull out to help you narrow down the choices. Pick one out of the 10 books and you have your next cozy read. I think for me, I'm going to choose The Willowleaf Lane, which is a candy shop owner and a former bad boy who find unexpected connection in Hope's Crossing. I think that piques my interest, so that's what I'm going to be putting on my next reading list. One of the other things that I would do here is to take the titles that I want to read, copy and paste them into a Word document so that I could have them in a list that I could go back and revisit when I'm ready to have the next read, and I don't have to have this conversation again unless I'm looking for something completely different. That's how I go about finding my next cozy read. Let me know down below what you would change in the prompt, what kind of book you're looking for, and what AI gave you for your suggested rating list. Let me know if you give this a try, and be sure you hit the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on next week's AI tip. We're going to be talking all about meal planning and how I can make a simple meal plan using AI. I will see you in the next one. Bye.